In order to start up the remote, press and hold the green button. Follow instructions on the display, cycle the e-stop. It will show that it's linked if it's actually communicating to the receiver. This will tell you if the engine is in off or on. You can press the on, which now the engine is ready to start. If it is off, and you hit engine start, it'll automatically flip it to engine on and start the machine. If you hit the e-stop or the red button, it will shut the lift off and shut the transmitter off. So when you hit one of these buttons, it'll automatically hold the ignition off until you turn this back on, turn the ignition on, and start the telehandler. This will save your battery and stop the fuel pump from running. So if you're up in it, it'll keep all the accessories off inside the lift. So if we hit the e-stop, shuts the transmitter off, shuts the lift off.
And always make sure you have the toggle switch on the dash in the on position before you go to use the remote control, along with the parking brake engaged.